Okay, I'll just show you how this Velcro works then. Literally got the soft Velcro there, and I've got the rough Velcro here. And literally just put it on the front, give it plenty of firm pressure, make sure that the Velcro is on as best it can. And that's it. Alright, we've got Dave on the tow plane, and we've got Finn on the caboose. There's the Tundra, there's the caboose. Should have got Dave to do it to start off with, he's doing a much better job than me. Hey, release! Put the line on the back, you just about see it.